Hi, hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the channel. In the back to back series, here we go for part 6. Intermittent claudication is a sign of arterial occlusive disease, nerve injury, peripheral neuropathy, myocardial infarction. A rapid grower among the following is Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium avium, Mycobacterium gordonei, Mycobacterium abscessus. According to Maslow's hierarchy, the need to be well thought of by oneself as well as by others comes under self awareness needs, self esteem needs, security and safety needs, physiological needs. Which of the below is true with regard to pregnancy induced hypertension? Visual disturbance are always present, proteinuria is usually present, there is a raised BP before 20 weeks of gestation. It is also called as gestational hypertension. The action of the sympathetic system in the walls of airways is called increased gas exchange, bronchodilation, bronchoconstriction, increased secretion. The test that's most specific for myocardial damage is creatinine kinase, CKMB, myoglobin, troponin I. Newborn maturity rating is done using Ballard score, Oleander score, Chandler score, Apgar score. Which of the below is not a function of the fibrous skeleton of the heart? Conducts the impulses from atria to ventricles, acts as a point of insertion for cardiac muscle fibers, prevents overstretching of the valves, forms a structural foundation for the heart valves. When there is a possibility of locked twins being born, when it could occur, dichorionic diamniotic twins, first twin as a breech and the second twin as the cephalic presentation, fraternal twins, first twin as cephalic and the second twin as a breech presentation. An immovable joint is called amphiarthrosis, synarthrosis, dialyrosis, polyarthritis. Let's review the answers. Intermittent claudication is a sign of arterial occlusive disease. When there is a occlusion in the flow of blood, we get the claudication. Claudication is due to the occlusion. A rapid grower among the following is, which could grow so fast? Mycobacterium abscess. Remember, when abscess comes, it is so quickly progressive and it causes much issues for us. That gives us a clue. According to Maslow's hierarchy, the need to be well thought of by oneself as well as by others comes under, it's a self-esteem. I should feel that I'm good, I'm confident. That comes under self-esteem. We always look for acknowledgement from known and unknown people. Which of the below is true with regard to pregnancy-induced hypertension? Visual disturbance can be there, but it is not always present. Proteinuria is usually present, but not again always. There is raised BP before 20 weeks of gestation. It need not to be 20 weeks only, it can be at any time, but it can be also called as gestational hypertension. The action of the sympathetic system in the walls of airways is called bronchodilation. The test that's most specific for myocardial damage is troponin I, that is very specific for myocardium. Newborn maturity rating is done using Ballard score. Apgar is immediate score to say whether the child is good or what, but the maturity is assessed with Ballard score. Which of the below is not a function of the fibrous skeleton of the heart? Remember, it is negative statement, not. All other three is the function of fibrous skeleton, whereas conducts the impulses from atria to ventricles is not its function. When there is a possibility of locked twins being born, when it could occur? See, when the first twin is a breech presentation and the second twin is a cephalic presentation, they can be unlocked twins. Other way around, it cannot be a locked twins. An immovable joint is called synarthrosis. I cannot move. Synarthrosis. Hope you liked the video and you know what to do if you like it. Please do subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.